Clear quartz crystal with a flat base, ideal for crystal healing and meditation. Quartz crystal is a power stone that's prized as a healing stone. It is known as the most powerful healing stone of the mineral kingdom, able to work on any condition. It has been called the universal crystal because of its many uses and is beneficial for manifesting, healing, meditation, protection, and channeling. Okay, here's a description of the crystal in the image, written as a script. A hand with dark painted nails holds a crystal. The crystal is translucent, appearing mostly clear with a slight golden hue. Needle-like inclusions are visible within the crystal, catching the light and creating a shimmering effect. The crystal has a pointed shape, and the hand holds it gently, allowing the light to pass through. Rutilated quartz is a variety of quartz characterized by the presence of needle-like inclusions of rutile, a mineral composed of titanium dioxide. These inclusions often appear golden, but they can also be silver, copper red, or black. Here are some of its key features. Appearance: the rutile inclusions can be distributed randomly or in bundles, sometimes arranged in a star-like pattern. The density of these inclusions can vary, making the quartz transparent, translucent, or even opaque. Gemstone value: while inclusions usually decrease a crystal's value, rutilated quartz is valued for the quality and appearance of its rutile inclusions. Formation: it forms during hydrothermal processes, where hot, mineral-rich fluids deposit silica and rutile in rock cracks. Properties: rutilated quartz is relatively hard and durable, with a hardness of 7 on the Mohs scale. Rutilated quartz is valued for its unique appearance and is believed to have various metaphysical and healing properties. Here's a summary of its uses and properties. Uses. Jewelry: it is a popular gemstone used in rings, necklaces, earrings, and pendants. Decorative and ornamental: it is used for carvings and ornamental pieces. Metaphysical and healing practices: it is used in meditation, chakra healing, and energy work. It's believed to amplify energy, promote clarity, and dispel negativity. And hand holding a rutilated quartz crystal. The crystal appears to be primarily clear, allowing the golden, needle-like rutile inclusions to be prominently visible. These inclusions are distributed throughout the crystal, creating a visually striking effect. While the exact shape and size are difficult to determine from the image, the crystal seems to be a substantial piece, possibly elongated or pointed. The rutile inclusions appear to be densely packed in some areas and more sparse in others, adding to the crystal's unique character. Smoky quartz is a captivating crystal known for its grounding and protective properties. Here's a more detailed description. Appearance: smoky quartz is a variety of quartz that ranges in color from a translucent, light smoky gray to a dark, almost opaque brownish black. It often has a vitreous luster. The color comes from natural irradiation and aluminum impurities within the crystal. Varieties: there are different varieties, including Morian, which is very dark brown to black, and Cairngorm, a smoky yellow-brown variety found in Scotland. Properties: it has a hardness of 7 on the Mohs scale, making it suitable for jewelry. It's known for its grounding and balancing properties, promoting emotional calmness and stability. Uses: smoky quartz is used in jewelry, carvings, and ornamental pieces. It's also used in metaphysical practices for grounding, protection, and transmuting negative energy. It's believed to help with emotional healing, releasing negative emotions, and promoting clarity. Origin and history: it has historical significance, especially in Celtic cultures, where it was considered sacred. In Scotland, it's considered the national gemstone. Unfortunately, just from the photo, it's impossible to definitively say where this rainbow quartz crystal originated. Crystals can be found in many different locations around the world. To determine its origin, you might consider these possibilities. Do you know where it was purchased or found? If you acquired it from a specific shop, fair, or even found it yourself, that would be the most direct way to know its origin. Does the seller or previous owner have any information about its source? Sometimes, vendors or individuals who sell crystals can provide details about where their specimens were mined. Are there any unique characteristics of the crystal that might suggest a specific locality? Certain regions are known for producing quartz with particular colors, inclusions, or growth habits. However, without more detailed examination and potentially geological knowledge, this can be difficult to determine from a photo alone. While I can't pinpoint the exact location, rainbow quartz itself is found in various places where